That is far superior to rice pudding. That is sensational. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing a fantastic pudding. We're doing a barley pudding. Now, this is second cousin to a rice pudding, but it should be the other way around. There's more health benefits from a barley pudding than there is from a rice pudding, but rice pudding gained popularity way over barley for so long. However, the health benefits from barley should make this come back as the first cousin to rice pudding. So I've got a pan here and we're just going to go in there with our barley. Depending where you get the barley from, rinse it, drain it, use it. I'm not going to bother because we're going to boil it with water in here. So we want a couple of cups of water in there, minimum. It will absorb the water as it's cooking. We want a flame on. Get it on there. We're going to bring it up to the boil. And we are going to put a lid on. And we're going to cook it for about 20-25 minutes. Straightforward. If you are cooking in an oven at home, you want to be sticking your oven on for about 165, somewhere around about there. Now I'm cooking in the high sapienti air fryer, and anybody else that's cooking in an air fryer, I will be putting this on about 140. But I don't need to put it on yet because obviously it warms up very quickly. Okay, we got it coming up to the boil there. We're going to turn it down a little bit. We're going to stick a lid on. I know the lid doesn't fit, but hey, not to worry. Got a lid on. Cook it for about 20-25 minutes. Don't forget though, keep coming along. Give it a little stir. Check the water level. We don't want that sticking on the bottom of the pan. And obviously, we don't want it to dry out. So we've had about 18 minutes and that has really puffed up, taken on all that moisture. We're cooking it nice and slow, nothing stuck on the pan. I'm going to give it another couple of minutes, see if we can cook a little bit more out of this, take some more of that fluid out of there, and then we'll be ready to go for the next stage. Perfect. Okay, flame off. So there we go, we got that lovely consistency you would normally see if you make rice puddings. That is fantastic. So the next job of this then, we could just mix it in this pan actually, but I'm going to put it in this bowl. I tend to splash around and make a mess, so we're going to get that in there. Now we need to be going in there with a couple of cups of milk. So that's about one. That's about two. I want to go in there with some cream. About a cupful. I'm going to go in there with some raisins. Now I've got two different types here. I've got gold raisins and raisins. Got some sugar. I'm going to go in there with some vanilla. Want a little bit of salt. And I want some nutmeg. And then we want a little mixy. Oh, the smell is amazing. Honestly, amazing already. Oven on. I'm going to stick my oven on to 140. Let it heat up. And I am going to butter that out. It's just the same as you would do with any rice pudding or anything. I want some butter in there just to stop it from sticking if it catches. And then it's a case of just get that in there. And that is it. That's our pudding ready for the oven. We're going to stick it in there on 140 and let it whir away, do its thing, and cook for 20-25 minutes. Okay. So we're going for a full 25 minutes, and we're probably going to give it a stir halfway, stir back in that lovely skin that's going to form, and that gives it a chance to churn it up a little bit, and then we'll finish cooking. Okay, we're looking about halfway through. It's getting a nice top on there, look. But I'm going to give it a stir, stir it all back in, and let it carry on. Don't worry, it's going to have a nice little top on there. That looks sensational. That really does look sensational. Back in and let it carry on. Okay, there we have it. We need to be getting that out of there. Oh, that looks tremendous. Just look at that. We've got that lovely little bit of a crust on there too. I'm going to give it a couple of minutes and we're going to serve some up. Oh, we're just going to get in here. We're not waiting. Oh, I want that crust on there. Oh, in we go. Just look at that. That is absolutely superb. Now, you can actually add a little bit of milk or cream to that if you so wish. That's up to you. I'm going to get stuck in and give it a try. Oh, come on. Oh, it's absolutely boiling. That is far superior to rice pudding. That is sensational. That is just an unbelievable pudding. You know, and barley's been around for so long. We're all forgetting about it. We're all leaving it behind. And you know, it's one of the best ingredients we could use as home cooks. That is fantastic. That really is superb. Well, that is barley pudding made. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends. All that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.